What if making the right choice for your online business came down to pushing a single button? A button that saved you from dealing with angry buyers, out-of-stock items, or shipping delays, and guaranteed that you get the best price and top quality items every time? Sound impossible? Well, it was, until now. Get ready for Printify Choice, our brand new tool that automatically produces your orders in the best possible location, giving you gorgeous quality items at the lowest possible price. With Printify Choice, you get it all: savings, quality, but most of all, convenience. Now, instead of having to research and compare which provider gives you the best value, we've done all the work for you. All you need to do is head to the special Printify Choice menu in our catalog and select an item. Except this time, instead of trying to figure out which provider is the best option for you, click the Start Designing button under Printify Choice and leave the rest to us. From colors to print areas, you'll get to see it all before you even begin adding your design. Once an order comes in, Printify Choice will automatically route it to be fulfilled by the print provider with the highest rating and that's closest to your customer, saving buyers on expensive shipping costs and giving them the best quality print possible while offering you the lowest prices and the highest customer satisfaction. But that's not all. Even after an order has been placed with a particular print provider, it can be upgraded to be fulfilled using our Printify Choice network right from your My Orders page. Simply select the order and click on the Replace with Printify Choice button before sending it to production. We'll even show you how much you'll be able to save if you decide to go with this option. Sounds really easy, right? Good, because that's the point. Not to mention seamless integration with other Printify features like branding inserts, gift messages, and express delivery, meeting all your customers' needs. Plus, your orders will be backed by the Printify Quality Promise, meaning if a buyer receives an item that isn't up to your standards, just send us a picture and we'll ship them a new one instantly, free of charge. Ready to streamline your business and focus on what matters most? Start saving time and money by checking out our brand new Printify Choice catalog now. Head to printify.com to learn more.